Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to download GTA Vice City in PC. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to download GTA Vice City in your PC, all you gotta do is simply download and install BlueStacks on your PC or MacBook. Once you have downloaded it, look for the Grand Theft Auto Vice City in the search bar at the top right corner. After this, click on the install button and you will be able to simply install Grand Theft Auto Vice City from the search results. And this is how you can do it. You can simply add a payment method to continue your purchase. And once you have added the payment method as well, you can simply follow the on-screen process, and once you are done, you will be able to get this game in your PC or MacBook that you are using. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching, and we will be back again really soon with many interesting videos like this.